gorgeous ones, Michelle here from Mickey Art. Just a quick pop in to say hi, show you how our live video dried, and let you know my voice is coming back. I have been hard at work today painting for you, so as soon as those are dry I will get those to you. But this one, just wanted to share it with you. It's so cool. Ring of Fire. It's just yummy. Check out the way the copper and gold have dried. They have, I just love the way the copper's done this thing here. Just smooched its way, kissed and cuddled and smeared its way through all the colours. It's awesome. And the gold is like just highlighting it. It's just not too much gold. It's just yummy, 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 yummy. We've still got that boot looking effect, the circle of boots, but it really does look more like a fire or even a phoenix. You know, in the mythical thing where the phoenixes explode into flames. It's almost like the phoenix is exploding. How does it get any better? I do love it. I love it a lot, a lot, a lot. So, hands up if anybody wants that one. Be a few weeks before it gets to be sealed and postable, but it's up for grabs. And how did our cabochons go? Let's have a look. This one's, it's pretty, it's gold, it's got some purple and some copper in it, but it really is not really kind of yummying me. And just move my fingers, I missed a bit. Once that gets put into something you'll never see it, but I will put it up for sale. But it's just so you know, full disclosure. Now this one on the other hand, oh, I love it. It is super fun. Super fun, super funky. It's got a little bit of gold down the bottom, a little bit of copper in amongst there too, just so it can glisten. It's just so much fun. I like it anyway. Again, check out my Mickey Art Facebook page, facebook.com/MickeyArt1. And I put the cabochons up for sale on there. And if you want to claim it, all you have to do is comment on it. Be the first to comment on it, obviously, and claim it, and then I will private message you and we can organise payment and shipping and stuff. I like that one. That's funky. I'm liking these bars. They are cool. You know what I'm thinking would be fun would be a whole row of these bars, like making a necklace or something. Anyway, and then the runoff. How cool is this? It almost looks like one of those silhouette pours that you guys have been doing. You know, the swipe with the lines. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. How does it get any better than that? Definitely get some funky cards out of that. If you want to know how I make cards, check out the link in the description. There's a video on that. There's a video on what to do with cabochons. And there's a video on how to hang records. And I would love to see what you're creating. Come and join us on Acrylic Pouring for Fun Facebook group. What else is possible? How much fun can we all have together? What contribution can we be to the ease and joy and glory and fun of acrylic pouring for all of us? I adore you all, and I will see you super soon as some of this painting's dry. See you soon. Bye bye.